Hey everyone, this is Chris with High Seas Cruising with some breaking cruise news. The MSC Lirica was on fire today in Corfu, Greece. It was reported that heavy black smoke and flames were visible in the late afternoon on the starboard side of the ship. The ship continued to burn for about an hour until local firefighting assistance did arrive, and by 4:30 local time, the fire was somewhat under control. MSC Cruises believes that the fire may have originated in an empty lifeboat on deck 6, and no injuries were reported among the 51 crew members who were on board the ship at the time of the incident. A full incident response operation is currently underway with the support of local emergency services. The fire was completely put out, and the operation was declared completed at 6:58 local time, and a preliminary assessment stated there was no damage to the inside of the ship, but only to her side due to the flames and the dense black smoke caused by the fiberglass lifeboat. And currently a full investigation is now underway. So, that's great news. The fire's out and nobody was hurt, and that's probably the most important thing, is that nobody was hurt. All right, I hope you enjoyed this quick cruise update. If any new information does come out on this story, we will keep you posted. Have a great day.